How were the animals before the jackal entered the forest? All the animals, they were in peace and they roamed about in the jungle very happily. Pick out the words which describe their mood as happy, admired, proud, tickled. All these words, they say that they were very happy in previous. Do you think the sadhu sacrificed his life for the sake of animals in the forest? Yes, the sadhu, he sacrificed his life for the sake of all the animals. He is the moon and he disguised as the sadhu in order to protect all the animals in the jungle. And he talked to each individual separately and he wanted to abolish all the differences among all the animals. Was the earth happy or sorrowful? The earth was not happy. The earth is sorrowful. Why? Because the children on her, they were not happy and she suffered from that. And in future also, the mother earth, she was thinking of their future, upcoming future. That is the reason she was not happy. If you were the judge, who would get the prize? If I were the judge, the little squirrel would get the prize. Why? Because it did something better. Why? Because the little squirrel collected all the nuts and the little squirrel filled the dry branches. It was thinking of upcoming future. That is the reason the little squirrel deserves the prize. As here in the next picture, the meanings are asked unanimously. Unanimously means unitedly. Unitedly, unanimously, unitedly. Bloat became bigger and bigger. Became bigger and bigger. B-A-G-G-E-R, bigger and bigger. And here for the words, verb forms are asked. Swim, swam. The past form of swim is swam, swum. S-W-M, swum. And present participle is swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. If we add in form for the bare infinitive or the root verb, H-W-I-M, swim is bare infinitive and it is the base form, root verb, swam, swum, swimming, fourth form. Hold, held is the past tense, held. Holding, H-O-L-D-N-E-G, holding. Holding is the present participle form. And here parts of speech is asked for music. Music is noun. M-U-S-I-C, music is noun. M-U-S-I-C, music. Musical, M-U-S-I-C-L, musical is adjective. Adjective forms and adverb forms are asked musically. M-U-S-I-C-A-L-L-Y, musically. Next, brightness is given B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, N-E-S-S-ness. If we add suffix N-E-S-S-ness, the words which end in N-E-S-S-ness suffix, they are nouns. Clever, adjective, cleverness, noun. Brightness, bright is adjective, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, brightly, B-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y, brightly. Music, musical, musically. Brightness, noun. Bright, adjective, brightly, adverb.